I totally agree with the observation of Secretary Jay that we are at the mercy of Meta platform. Isipin niyo po, Mr. Chair, yung gobyerno na natin ang nag-request sa Meta platform to take down the fake news of that memorandum that was issued purportedly by E.S. Bersamin. Hindi nga sila nakinig sa inyo eh. And what is painful is that Meta platform is not even paying taxes to the Philippine government. Ang pinag-request lang natin sa kanila is self-regulation. However, sabi ko nga, hindi tayo pinapakinggan. In fact, during the previous hearing, when we asked the Meta representatives, sinabihan pa kami na public officials are subject to criticisms. So, it's about time siguro, if they cannot have self-regulation, it must be this government, this administration, tayo mag-regulate sa kanila. And that is why, Mr. Chair, I think we should really study if it, I don't know if it is possible, that we should require this Meta to get a franchise from Congress for them to operate here. Kasi may oversight committee ang Congress, we can regulate them. Ang problema sa Meta, ang pinag-iisipan lang nila yung kung kita nila eh. There are 90 million users sa Pilipinas. We have, I think we are the biggest users of this platform in the entire Southeast Asia. Ang laki ng kita nila pero they cannot self-regulate. So ang kawawa, hindi lang public servants, kundi pati yung ordinaryong mamayang Pilipino, palaging biktima nito using this platform. So that is why maybe we can ask help from Secretary Jay, Secretary Aguda, to find a way that we can regulate this platform. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
As a matter of fact, Chairman, meron tayong bill na ipafile regarding that. So, I think the members of this House will be given that copy as well. I hope the President, through Secretary Ruiz, hindi na natin kaya ngayong 19th Congress, but I think the President must certify urgent yung mga bills that we will be, that the 20th Congress will be filing. Kasi kailangan na dito na intervention talaga ng Presidente na mapabilis yung batas na yon. And I think mga 1 year din yan bago natin maaprubahan sa 20th Congress.